Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 10th. Welcome to your e-learning class of chemistry with your teacher Hubru. Chapter is acids, bases and salts, and the topic we are going to discuss is Lewis concept of acids and bases. A third classification of acids and bases was introduced in 1923 by Gilbert Newton Lewis. His definition emphasizes upon the role of electron pairs in an acid-base reaction. Let's begin with the definition of Lewis acid. Lewis acid is a species. That species may be an ion or a molecule that can accept or tries to accept a pair of electrons. So we can say that Lewis acid is an electron pair acceptor, or we can say that the compounds having less than 8 electrons can accept a pair of electron, have the tendency to accept a pair of electron, and the positively charged ions can also accept a pair of electrons. So these both can act as Lewis acids. Let's see an example. Dear students, this example or this reaction have been explained to you in your previous grade. So let's recall your previous memory and see that here ammonia has a lone pair of electron and BF3 is accepting that lone pair of electron. Why? Because BF3 has that deficiency of electrons. You can count the electrons that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So BF3 has 6 electrons. It needs 2 electrons to complete its outermost shell. So it is accepting a pair of electrons from ammonia and forming this complex. As a result, BF3 acts as Lewis acid because it accepts a pair of electrons and forms this complex. The definition of Lewis base. Lewis base is a species, ion or molecule that donates or tries to donate a pair of electron, or we can say that Lewis base is an electron pair donor. Or the compounds having lone pair of electrons have the tendency to donate an electron pair. Why? Because lone pairs of electrons are those pairs which are not involved in bonding. So these compounds can donate their electron pairs. And similarly, the negatively charged ions also can donate an electron pair and can act as Lewis base. Let's see this example. Students, you are also familiar with this example that here water molecule acts as a Lewis base. Why? Because it has lone pairs of electrons. It is reacting with hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion has no electron in its shell. It is only left with a proton in its nucleus. So it is very deficient of electrons. As a result, it accepts a pair of electrons from water and acts as Lewis acid because it is accepting an electron pair, while water acts as a Lewis base because it is donating an electron pair. So proton acts as Lewis acid, water acts as Lewis base, and as a result it forms hydronium ion. Let's compare all the three acid-base definitions. Arrhenius acid is hydrogen ion producer. Arrhenius base is hydroxide ion producer. Bronsted-Lowry acid is proton donor, while Bronsted-Lowry base is proton acceptor. Lewis acid is electron pair acceptor, while Lewis base is electron pair donor. Out of all the three concepts, Lewis concept is the broadest and advantageous of all because it is not limited to aqueous medium and also it is not limited to hydrogen and hydroxide ions. Lewis concept covers those systems also that do not involve proton transfer. Lewis defined acids and bases from the point of view of electron pairs. The acidity and basicity of various species can be explained only with the help of Lewis concept, for example, the acidic character of carbon dioxide and the basic character of ammonia. So this is all about the concepts of acids and bases. This is the end of our today's topic. See you in the next one. Till then, Allah Hafiz.